Hello people, so today I'm gonna show you the Garmin Virb 360 camera. This one is one of the best on the market. So you can do 360 videos with this one. It's got 4 microphones. It is waterproof. You can go down to 10 meters deep. It's only 160 grams, which is not that heavy for a camera from this class. Also, it can record up to 5.7K at 30 frames per second. Also, it can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second as well. So let's see what's inside first. This is the actual camera. You can see it seems pretty solid. Also, inside the box you have a charging cable, the battery. Just take it out from its packing. Its holder and 2 more holders that you use for your bike and for the tripod. Of course, like everything else, you have a manual. So yeah, that's what you've got in. That's the camera, the tripod holder, 2 mounting holders, charging cable, battery, and the manual. So yeah, that's everything in the box. I hope that you enjoyed that. On my next video I will show you how to connect it to your phone. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.